Look at this thing. It is just outstanding. Isn't that clean? What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now, this is a notably thinner and lighter than the S25 Ultra. It has those more rounded ergonomic corners, as they say. It has been a real blessing to hold this, because I remember the S25 Ultra and it was a little boxy and a little big. This feels a little more easier to hold, and it's much lighter. Obviously this one is aluminum basically, and the other one had the titanium material in it, so it's a little different. It's a little lighter. But having said that, I wanted to talk about two cases that I got from Thinborne. Now, I want to thank Thinborne for sending this over. Drop down in the description if you want to pick these up. You can get 15% if you use my code. Now, it's limit one per customer, but still 15% off. You're saving some money, so you guys can check it out. Now, I have two colors here. I have the crimson red, which is a hot color, and I have the black one. So we're gonna go ahead and let's check out the red one, because that is the newer one, the newer style that they have now from Thinborne. And this is just, look at this thing. It is just outstanding. Isn't that clean? Now, it has the sides, so your sides are covered on this side. You have an opening there for your volume up and down and stuff like that, your power button, all that good stuff. But look at this. Now the back is open, so you do have that opening there. It does lip around a little bit on the bottom. The top is totally covered, so it's probably to get the device out. Now, the cool thing I like about Thinborne is they do give you a screen protector. So they do give you a glass screen protector so you can slap on there. And it's a pretty decent one. I'm not gonna lie, decent. For the price that you're getting, that's a pretty good deal. So let's go ahead, and then you get that MagSafe capability on there, which is really, really nice. So you have no issues when it comes to checking out your, if you want to put it on a MagSafe, or you want to have it in your card or mount on your desk, you are good to go. Now, this is a premium design, but it's not bulky, so you're still going to be able to keep your device, because man, sometimes when you hold a device in your hand and it has no case, it just feels so nice. But in reality, you can't do that. I don't like rocking my phones with no case, because every time I do, something bad happens. So you make bad decisions sometimes, and you're gonna have consequences. So, ooh, that slips in real good. So look at that. Isn't that cool looking? Now, I do have the baby blue baby edition, or whatever they call it on Samsung's website. I call it the baby blue. So you do cover up that nice little color, but if you do like this crimson red, which is kind of hot, you're good to go. But this is ultra slim, as you can see there. Get good protection on the top, very good looking. So you still get that nice light feel of your device, but you're able to keep it protected some. And the cameras are totally protected here on the back. They did a good job with this design and all that stuff, so that's pretty cool. I like that. Now, if you want to put on a little MagSafe action on here, let's see if that works. Yeah, you do. I probably wouldn't use this one because it doesn't really match, but it does line up there, so you're not having any issues with the camera. Now, I know there's some issues with square, like a wallet or something like that. It may not fit, but you're just gonna have to look around and see what you can get. Now, on this side, you got your power button and your volume up and down, obviously exposed. The bottom here is exposed, and for your S Pen, so you can get your S Pen out. You're exposed there some too, so just keep that in mind. With the lip there, you might be careful. You might want to keep it in your hand like that so you don't have any problems. Now, as far as the lip, not much of a lip there on the front screen, so do be careful, but this is super, this material is very strong, but it's 5 times stronger and thinner than steel, so less is more, as they say on their website. But this is a carbon fiber finish where grip meets style, MagSafe capability. So we'll check out the MagSafe capability here. Yeah, not bad. It fits real nice. Got good magnets there on the back. Oh, yeah, I guess the magnets are pretty good. And I use MagSafe a lot. I use this one on my desk, at work, also in my car, on my stand, in my room, you name it. But this is definitely a good look when it comes to the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now let's try the black version so that we can check it out. Now that's kind of clean too. Now they do have a blue version. If you want to pick that up, it is a wild navy, which is like a blue, which probably would look good with the baby blue. But sometimes these Thinbornes, they can be a little bit of a challenge to take off, but that one wasn't that hard, as you see. And this is the black one, so as you can see there, looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and slap this in there, and it's pretty easy to put in. So, ooh, man, I don't know. This red is this pops. This red pops. So, but yeah, there's the black one. Pretty much the same deal. Obviously, same opening on the bottom. I don't know if I'm crazy about the opening being open, but that's the design they went for. I do like how it does come over a little bit. It's not completely open, so if something comes down on it, you are going to be protected there on the top. But this little area here, you do have some exposure, so just be aware of that. Bear in mind that you might get in trouble there when it comes to your device falling. But I'm telling you, drop down in the description if you want to pick this up. 15% off if you use my code from Android Stud. And that's it. I'll let you know what I think of this as I use it for a little longer. But I do like the camera, how it's covered there. That looks pretty good. But that's gonna do it, man. I'm Android Stud. You're watching YouTube.